Alright, let's start again. In order to save paper, just flipping it over. And let's get back to work. I had a real awkward angle. Goodness, I wonder why. That's one thing, one of the many things with writing calligraphy. You gotta make sure you're in a good position. And you have your chair a good distance. Talk to you about something really quick. I want to let you all know. So I just wanted to say, as this channel continues to grow and get more of you all join on and come and watch the videos, I am going to be doing merchandise, going to be selling products, and they're going to be designs from yours truly, and I just wanted to share that with you really quick. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out the stuff in the description below. And website is getting redone. Alright, catch you next video. Thanks for the love as always. See you next time.